Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, on this Tuesday, rainy Tuesday here in Holland, yeah, it's time for our weekly update video. So let's just jump straight into the content and start with the bad news, I guess, because yeah, we did not manage to make a new high on the weekly charts 2 and 3 weeks ago. Yeah, that's quite concerning because we would like to see a higher high being created and then a lower high. So the possibility is, yeah, that we will maybe even create a lower low than the previous low right here. So that is a possibility, especially based on the MACD right here. You can see that there is some downwards momentum possible. So this is quite a warning sign, I guess, for everyone to be able to look at, and do not be surprised if that is the case. This is a long shot, and going down and creating a lower low is a possibility. So I just want to make sure that you wouldn't be surprised to see that. I wouldn't be surprised at all if this 19.2K level is a very tough nut to crack for the bears. Selling pressure was created yesterday, big selling pressure, but it was only short-lived. So that's where you can see that that's either a collective or a big whale selling, and not followed up by many retail investors. So that's why you can see longer and less volume in selling pressure, and that's not what I saw right now. So I just wanted to make clear that this definitely is a possibility, because we did not create a higher high, that we could create a lower low right here. So yeah, if you have some cash reserve, yeah, definitely put some aside, and yeah, see if you can snatch up some 14K Bitcoin, because that would definitely be a steal, of course. So like I said, it's not said that this is going to happen. In fact, it's not very likely to me, because I do believe that we have seen the bottom, and we just need to see a little retracement back in the RSI and the MACD in order to be able to grow to the upside more. And there are some more positive signals that I will show you right away, because this is the daily chart. You can see right here, this is the same bottom we had earlier. We had a massive upwards run from the 1st of January, and now we are still creating higher highs, or, well, not really, but this is the wrong thing. I wanted the brush. I wanted the brush. This one, this one, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, but this was not a higher high. But you can see, yeah, that maybe shouldn't be a problem if we create a higher high up here. Momentum is ready for that in the MACD. The RSI is cooled off. The momentum is shifting to the upward side again in the daily. So that is all beautiful. What I wanted to show you is this, because I do see something evolving right here, which is a upwards sloping support line, and we see a upwards sloping resistance line. This is not that beautiful. Nah, don't like that line. Not enough touch points, not enough touch points. But we have this upward sloping support line. You can see right here, touch points here, 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 and here, here, here. So let's see if this is the bottom, then this could be definitely a good buying opportunity, and we can create a higher high, just like we said on the weekly. Which is yeah, it's looking good on the daily. The MACD is going to look for upwards momentum. The RSI is cooled off after being being in the high 80s. Yeah, just a couple of weeks ago, right? So cooled off, had another bounce, and then it cooled off and it has some room left to grow. So this is a good sign. Looking at the 4 hour, you can see that same trend line right here, and the higher high, higher low, upward sloping line. Momentum for the 4 hour is going down, but RSI is also going down, and retest has some room left to grow. There was this, yeah, this is called a bearish divergence right here, because we had a we have a lower RSI and we have a higher price, which is a bearish divergence, which yeah, could suggest that we might revisit the 19.2K. Interesting. That's not what I expected, but yeah, the trend line, the trend is your friend right here until it ends, and if it does, then there could be a nice short position, or selling your position and waiting till you buy in somewhere above the line right here in the 19.6K, because yeah, it is very possible that this volume which was created right here will not let it come to the 19.2K again, and then you'll miss your opportunity. So it is probably wiser to set up a buy at the 19.775-ish level. Maybe it will wick down just a little bit more, but if you put your buying order at the 19.248, then it is very possible that you miss it. So be careful about that. Let's look at the 1 hour right here. Yeah, you can see here the RSI is shifting, the MACD is going up. So yeah, difficult times. This selling pressure right here is what I was talking about, but it is in a 1 hour, and someone sold 54,000 Bitcoin in one go. And the blockchain needs some time to calculate those selling orders. So that's why yeah, you see a lot of selling volume in just 1 hour, right? And you can see right here that right here that the volume was also very high. So this is one whale or collective selling 54,000 Bitcoins at one time, and then boom, you can see yeah, the drop of the price, and now it's leveling out again. It was a very boring weekend, and now yeah, we'll see some room left to grow. So on the weekly, I'm not that bullish. On the daily and on the 4 hourly, we might be able to see somewhere around the 19.7K. I will set up a buy order there, and hopefully create another higher low, and then another higher high. So if you, let's take a look at a long position. Is that on this one? Let us set up a long position from the 19.775 onwards. Set a stop loss just below this level right here, and a take profit before the target, and then you have a risk to reward ratio of 4.31, which is which is quite interesting. So I'm setting up a buy order here, a spot buy order. I will only sell my position if we break this line and confirm a retest failed. Then I will sell my position and I'll wait and I'll set up a buy order right here, and then I'll try to ride it up again. So yeah, that's a very nice, interesting move that we could see coming. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.